everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a two-tier tray for Valentines. I'm using mainly items from Dollar Tree and some items we found in the dumpster. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of nice things in the dumpsters. If you want to have a lot of fun watching us diving, visit our channel, Dumpster Chicks, which is going to be linked in the description box below. From Dollar Tree I bought these hearts. They are made of glass, they are transparent, clear. I painted them in white, and I'm using also these candle holders from Dollar Tree. They come in 3 sizes. This is smaller, this is the medium one. I'm using the medium one, and as you can see I spray painted it in white, and to save time I already glued it with a little bit of hot glue and a lot of E6000. I'm not centering it because I don't want this tray to be centered. I want them to be in different levels. Hope you can see that. But to do that, well, let me tell you, for the second one I cut one of those circles, disc of foam that you can get at Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. I kind of eyeballed the shape of the heart because I need something to allow the items I'm going to place here to show up. Otherwise they are in the bottom, at the bottom, and nobody can see them. So now I'm proceeding to glue this candle holder to the top layer. So I need my, here it is, E6000. It's almost finished. I need another one. I have another one. I love E6000. And now I'm going to glue the top layer. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue too, to accelerate the process. So let me see. Let's press. I hope this is going to stay there. Okay. Fingers crossed. I'm scared. For the bottom part I choose this heart that I have from some decoration. I think it was a basket. I have had this for, I don't know, 10 years. And I added this cardstock heart that is part of a garland. So I'm trying not to glue anything, just in case the person I'm giving this to wants to use the tray for other things, or the heart, or whatever, so they can remove things. So I'm going to place a heart there. I bought at Dollar Tree these pads. Oh, this was not supposed to happen. I have to let it dry. Sorry. This is live, and when you go live, things happen. And I'm ruining the heart below. But this is going to be soft. I need to let this dry a little bit more. I'm going to remove the glue, the hot glue. Anyways, I have another heart like this. I have a few of them because it's a garland. So if this doesn't work, I will remove it and use another one. But for now I'm going to leave this here. So meanwhile I press this, I'm going to add the things that I want to place here. I said I bought these pens at Dollar Tree. You have 2, one says LOL, 2 pairs of course, and the other ones say love. So I use one of those, and I didn't cut anything. I just folded this part and placed it inside the top of the sock, the pad. And I got something like this, like a small bag. And I added some chocolates, my favorites from Dollar Tree, and I added a heart. This heart is from the dumpster. It's not, I think they are not from Dollar Tree, because I have some from Dollar Tree and they are smaller, but maybe now they sell bigger ones. I don't remember at what dumpster we got them. We got a lot of them. So I glued this bag with the chocolates to the heart for them to be a little bit higher and not to be on something like a piece of foam, something like that. And I'm going to close the bag, please stay there, with this clothespin. I added this tiny heart so they can remove the chocolates easily. Okay, and now this doesn't want, okay, I'm going to add some roses that are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add one here and one over there. I'm going to add some greenery. I'm still worried about the top. It's not easy with just one hand. Let me add the greenery first. And now the rose. Like so. Now I'm going to add the smaller one here. Bear with me. And I'm going to decorate the top. For the top, I have this candle that is from Dollar Tree. I had a pink one, I couldn't find it because it would have been better. This is kind of pale blue, light blue. I had this piece of a sock that I bought last year to decorate some candles. It's also from Dollar Tree, so I place it here. And I didn't adhere the piece of sock to the candle, because if they want to remove it, they won't be able to. So in this way, I just glued the sock to itself, and I'm going to place it here, and this is going to help keep this in place. Then I have this sign from Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use it in this from this side. I don't know how to say it. I wrote Happy Valentine's Day, as you can see, and I painted the border with this Crayola marker very easily. I'm going to paint this part for you to see, but you can paint it really quickly. And in the back, I'm going to add these hearts that are from Dollar Tree also. These are from one sign that I had, and this other one, the black ones, come in the back. So I glued them together, and I made marks here where I want to glue them. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Of course, at some point, if they want to use the front of the sign, they can. we go. And the other things I'm going to use are this rose and this cutie pie. I love this little teddy bear. So I'm going to place the sign here and the little bear, no beer, no alcohol. Let me see if I can, there you go. And I'm going to add the rose here. I'm going to glue the rose a little bit to the border. That's something that they can remove if they want. Sorry, I was out of frame. Now you can see how everything looks together from the top, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you it from the front. I really like how it looks, and I'm going to remove everything and reinforce the base with E6000 and rearrange everything again, because I'm still not quite sure if it is completely glued, but I really like how it looks. Well, this is my creation for today. It's part of the All You Need Is Love tire tray collaboration hosted by My Blessed Nest. I will leave the link to the hostess channel. Thank you so much to her for hosting, as well as a link to the playlist with the videos participating in this collaboration. Please visit the hostess channel and the videos in the playlist and give us your support. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.